Activating Monzo Contactless is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Ensure that you have received your Monzo card in the mail. The card should have the contactless payment feature enabled by default. If you haven't already, download the Monzo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone. Open the Monzo app on your phone and log in using your Monzo account credentials. If you haven't linked your Monzo card to your account yet, follow the on-screen prompts to add your card details to the app. You may need to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. By default, contactless payment should already be enabled on your Monzo card. However, if you want to double-check or make sure it's active, follow these steps. In the Monzo app, go to the Account tab or section. Scroll down to find your Monzo card listed under Card or Debit Card. Tap on your Monzo card to view its details. Look for an option or toggle switch labeled Contactless or Contactless Payments. Ensure that the Contactless Payments feature is turned on. Once you've activated and configured contactless payments on your Monzo card, you can start using it to make contactless transactions at supported merchants. Simply tap your Monzo card on the contactless payment terminal at checkout to complete the transaction without entering your PIN for small purchases. Keep an eye on your Monzo app to monitor your contactless transactions. The app will show you a real-time overview of your spending, including contactless payments.